Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a place to build your website, go to squarespace.com/SaraFaber.
It's so hard to be near you, make it hard for me to breathe. And I can't stand to see you smile, 'cause it kills me from within. Your voice is like an arrow that pierces me through the heart. And your touch is like fire that will burn my skin. I wish that I could say what I really feel, 'cause I'm in love with you. Yeah, I'm in love with you. I know I'm not supposed to be, but I am. I'm in love with you. It's so hard to see you when you are with him. It's so hard to hear you when he makes you laugh. The ring around your finger is a noose around my neck that tightens with every hour and every day that passes by. If only you could see.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another studio vlog. I hope you had a great week. Thank you for all the positive and nice and lovely comments on my last video, which was the how I make my stickers at home video. I'm very excited that you guys liked it. So today is Thursday already, and I just finished my Inktober painting for today. I usually film my vlogs in the beginning of the week, but now I don't know, this week was all over the place, so I film it today. And now I will pack some orders. So I ordered some new paper for the notes that I like, little personal notes that I put into orders. Look at the colors, so cute. So I cut them into little pieces like that, and then I write a little note on it.
It's so hard to be near you, make it hard for me to breathe. And I can't stand to see you smile, 'cause it kills me from within. Your voice is like an arrow that pierces me through the heart. And your touch is like fire that will burn my skin. I wish that I could say
sorry. Okay, so I just finished packing, and I feel like I say that in every single vlog, like, oh, I just finished packing. Is that boring to you guys? This is like the main part of my business. Packing orders, managing orders, basically everything that comes with running an online shop. This is just like the reality. I had someone commenting on one of my videos that the video was so boring, and I was like, well, that is my life. So I'm just really filming my work day for you guys the way it is, because like honestly, when I started this whole illustration business thing, there weren't so many people doing that, and I was always searching for like more vlogs or anything so I can really get like to see how the job is, because it's most of the time it's not a drawing all day long. Another really cool thing that I wanted to tell you is that last week, I guess, yes, it was last week, I kind of had the feeling that I need a little rebranding. So I wasn't happy with my color palettes that I used in my work, on my website. I don't know, I was just like, well, I don't really identify with what I do. I want to have more, I don't know, earthy tones, warm tones, natural tones, things like that, while still like drawing the same things that I always draw, but having another color palette already changes so much. So I decided to also redesign my website, and a couple of days after that, Squarespace contacted me asking to sponsor my videos because they saw that I am on Squarespace, which is so cool and so crazy, because I am, and like honestly, I would never show you anything that I don't like. I use Squarespace I used that even before I started my business. So like in 2016, I started my Instagram account, and everything started from there, and I felt like, oh, if I want to be like at least a little professional, I gotta have a website. So I have no idea about anything that has to do with websites. I have no clue, absolutely not. I am not a developer. I cannot write a line of code, but it was really easy, and I used it throughout my whole illustration career. And then I went self-employed after a while, and everything went from there. So I kept changing it, and then I moved my online shop from Etsy to Squarespace, and then it was my shop too. So it is really cool that they contacted me now, because I'm a huge fan. If you also want to have a beautiful website and build your portfolio and online shop, you can do everything with Squarespace, and you can get a free trial, and once you're ready to launch, you can hit squarespace.com/SaraFaber to get 10% off your first purchase. Today I have to prepare the goodie bags for my patrons. Like I always send out the goodie bags in the beginning of the month, and this is for the month of November. So I kind of want to do some cool November themed things, and yeah.
It's so hard to be near you. You make it hard for me to...
Guys, can I just show you how cute he is? I was also thinking to go to the art supply store today, maybe in the evening, because I need some stuff for my shop. And I actually order almost everything on Amazon, but there are like a few things that I really like that is not available on Amazon, so I'm gonna go there. Maybe I'm gonna take you with me, maybe I'm gonna forget it, I don't know. Someone is really interested in what I just bought. Interested? Okay, I thought since I completely forgot to film in the art store, I wanted to show you what I got. I got some washi tape that I always need for my orders. I kind of use a lot of them all the time. So I got some fall colors. And then I got a pen for little personal notes that I put into your orders because my pen is empty already. Then I also got this paper. I always use it for packing up die-cut stickers or sometimes even sticker sheets or anything. This is a really strong paper that acts like a backing card for when I send off prints. And then I got this, which is already the first thing that I bought for my Christmas products. And then I also got this because my storage in this studio, even though I have a pretty big studio, still the storage is limited. So I would probably need something on the walls or something for my products because now they're just all over the place. So I got this thing, which is like the perfect size, and I can put, I don't know, maybe I thought about sticker sheets that I can put inside of it or something else. Let's see. But yeah. Hey guys, I just went out to eat something with a friend of mine, and I changed into something comfortable now. And I finished all the tasks for today, and yeah, I think that's it for the day. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, as I feel like it is a little bit shorter than usual, but I hope you still like it. Okay, so bye!